to install a stretched fabric panel by Cinema Build Systems. Start by gently inserting the top corners of your piece of fabric. This will allow it to hang flat and enable you to work easily. Now complete the seating of the top section of fabric, working from the middle out to the sides. Using a small amount of pressure, pull down on the fabric and centralize it. Now gently stretch the fabric as you seat it to both the left corner and right corner. To seat the side fabrics, gently place a small amount in both sides of the panel. This allows you to confirm you have enough to work with. Now, working from the middle out, seat both sides of the panel fully and check the fabric is seated into the corners properly. Using a sharp pair of scissors and beginning at a corner, start trimming the excess fabric. When it comes to the corners, it is important to cut these as close as possible. This will make the final installation both easier and neater. To add full tension to the fabric panel, insert the remaining fabric into the top track section, taking time to get all fabric fully bedded in. Next, fully bed the fabric into the bottom track channel. Taking care, insert all remaining fabric into the side channels. If required, place the fabric into the corners with passes both vertically and horizontally until the corners are neat and fully bedded. The fabric panel installation is now evenly tensioned and complete.